Namaste and welcome back to Discover Agriculture. What if I told you that you could grow this vibrant beauty, the pink oyster mushroom, right in your backyard or rooftop with low cost, zero soil, and harvest in just a week? Sounds exciting? Let us show you how exactly we did it. Let's begin. What you will need. Here's your mushroom growing starter kit. Pink oyster mushroom spawn. We got ours from BM mushroom. Rice straw or wheat straw or hay, whatever you get locally. PP bags or polypropylene bags. Frankly, any plastic bag or container will do. A barrel for soaking, a boiling vessel, rope and tarpaulin to build a shaded hanging setup. Soak, drain, sterilize. Start by soaking the straw overnight. We used rice straw. The next morning, flip the barrel to let all the water drain out. No shortcuts here. Then comes the magic. Boil the straw for 45 to 60 minutes. This sterilizes it and clears out any unwanted microbes. Pro tip, we didn't even chop the straw. It's optional but not essential. Spawn setup. Divide and layer. Now let's prepare the spawn like pros. Take one pack, break it into two halves and then divide each half into four parts. Boom! You got 8 pieces, just right for 2 mushroom bags with 4 layers in each. Pack it right the smart way. Here's how we layer the bag. 4 spawn layers total, but here's the trick. Spread spawn fully in the first and last layers, and the middle 2 layers just add it along the sides of the bag. Once you're done, press it gently, seal it up and poke 10 to 12 holes around the bag for air to flow. Incubation, the silent growth begins. Now let the magic happen. Hang your bags under a shaded dark structure. We use tarpaulin and ropes, super simple. Maintain the temperature from 25 to 30 degrees Celsius. 28 degrees Celsius is ideal. Humidity 70 to 80%. No misting is needed. The moisture inside the bag does all the work. After about 7 days, you'll start seeing white threads of life, messily, gently spreading through the straw. Don't wait for the whole bag to turn white. Partial colonization is perfectly fine. Let there be light and air. Time to wake your mushroom up. Use a blade to make small cuts all over the bag. Then, instead of moving them, we just open the top, allowing indirect sunlight and fresh air to enter. Start spraying clean water twice a day to keep humidity high, between 85 to 95 percentage. Good airflow is crucial. It keeps the environment fresh and helps your mushrooms breathe. The harvest moment. In just 4 to 7 days, you'll see pink beauties bursting through those cuts. How to know they are ready? The caps flatten, the edges curl gently, the color softens to pale pink or white. That's your cue. Twist, pull, and smile. Your harvest is here. Once they appear, reduce watering to once a day. We want growth, not soggy bags. More flushes equals more profit. Don't stop now. Keep misting and give them some time. A second flush usually shows up in 1 to 2 weeks. Sometimes you even get a third round with zero extra effort. More mushrooms, same setup. That's what we call smart farming. Earnings and insights, the real payoff. Pink oyster mushrooms are not only fast growers, they are fast sellers. In Indian markets, restaurants, and health stores, they typically fetch 150 to 200 rupees per kilo. And yes, rates may vary by region. But here's the best part. They love warm climates and small spaces. So your rooftop, balcony or backyard, it's all fair game. Wrap up and final thoughts. So that's our journey from straw to mushrooms in just days. A simple hanging setup, a little care, a lot of freshness. Would you like to try this? Tell us, rooftop or backyard. Like this video if you found it useful. Subscribe to Discover Agriculture for more farmer tested, future focused content. Share this with someone who's ready to grow something amazing. Until next time, stay rooted and keep growing smart.